Welcome back to the shop. I'm Brian DeMambro. We're going to now have a look at a small group of items that relate to New Orleans and Louisiana. This first item in the batch would appear to date from probably the 1930s or 40s. It's a little promotional, not quite a guidebook, but almost a guidebook. Look at, there's Mardi Gras right there on Canal Street. Oh, there's a little street plan there. Okay. Right. The St. Louis Cemetery. And then Sugar Bowl. Okay. Next item is this guide to the port of New Orleans. And this folds open and opens up like this. And we see here a little bit of a schematic bird's eye view map with all kinds of factual information. Okay, next item is this Poetical History of Louisiana, 1885, but printed in New Orleans. So that's quite interesting, and no doubt this would have to be scarce. The covers are detached. It's not surprising given how fragile this all is. It's printed on like a pinkish paper, which is interesting. Look at this. Of all the Africans subjected to slavery in Louisiana, Brascoupé was the most unconquerable. Okay, but all right, so there's that little item here. Then we've got Henry Clay Visits New Orleans, reprinted from 1944, so it's sort of an off-print. And Francis Burns, right. So here we have an inscription from the author in this. And so it's an off-print inscribed by the author. And then the final item here is a very interesting. This is New Orleans Price Current Commercial Intelligence and Merchants Transcript. It no doubt was issued, so it's got, okay, from September of 53 to what do we say, at the same time, if you do this comparison from 1853, this is wholesale prices on Wednesday, 1854. So this must have been a daily publication or printed for prices going on, and remarks on the market for the past 3 days, so it could be. And then look at this, New Orleans, here's this long, well not long, but it's a detailed sort of invoice of cash accounting, credit, and so on, signed here by Greenwood, someone Greenwood. Yeah, interesting. I think this is pretty rare, probably. So there we have this lot of 5 items related to New Orleans. It's available online from me, Brian DeMambro.